Hello friends, in this video I'm going to cover unboxing of GoPro Hero 11 and two additional items, dual charger and two Endura batteries and protective housing that I ordered extra and I will cover in this unboxing video.
Hello friends, I just received the GoPro Hero, so GoPro 11 actually in my mail. I ordered regular GoPro with extra batteries and charger. So let's see what I have received. So that's the dual charger that I ordered, and with the batteries. Enduro batteries have extra life, and this is protective housing I ordered this time. And then this is GoPro, and let's open it and see what's in it. In addition to that, as part of the deal, I think they gave me a extra SIM card that was part of the free deal. So let's open it. Okay. So that's the box that I received. That's GoPro 11 and Hyper Smooth 5.0. So let's open it further, see what it has. So I think that's about it. So it came with the apparently what it is showing is it comes with GoPro camera, Endura battery, which is longer lasting battery, and this mounting kit, the cable, and it came with a box. So that's a cool thing. Let's see where I'm going to open it from. Maybe from the bottom. Yeah, it says right here, so opening it right here. Okay. So now let's open it. Okay, so a lot of paperwork on the top. The cable, USB-C cable that they were talking about. That's the mounting kit for maybe your helmet or something. The Endura longer, so GoPro battery. So this is white color. I don't know what that means. It is supposed to be Endura battery. So and then this standard mounting kit. It looks more sophisticated than the one I've seen maybe before. Anyway, so that's what I'm getting. The real thing is this camera. This camera is really cool. So that's the camera. It feels pretty much same, but I have like GoPro 8, but this is maybe slightly thicker. Yeah, just a little bit more thick than, slightly more thick than GoPro 8. Um, it extends, the lens extends a little bit more than GoPro 8 also, so it's a little bit thicker than GoPro 8. And anyway, so it's longer maybe as well, so it's a little bigger in all directions than GoPro 8. Hopefully bigger mean better in this case. I don't know, we'll see. Specs are definitely better. So this is what I got with the GoPro 11 camera. And now let's see how dual charger looks like. So this is like extra add-on I added. It's not like standard with the GoPro, but since when I'm traveling I need more battery, more life, I can swap the card or buy a bigger card, but battery is something it is harder to charge when you're traveling, especially if you are in aeroplane. You may have seen my sunrise video on my flight from Seattle to Denver. That is pretty cool video. So those videos, I mean, you have to run your camera for multiple hours, and most of the time your one battery will not be sufficient for that long duration. So more manuals. So it tells you like how to charge, pretty much same as how it's pretty much same how it works before apparently. But the thing is, how do you take it out? So do you take it out like this? Oops, upside down. So that's the charging kit, different than what I had before. The one before was longer, and then the two batteries. So these are Endura batteries, long lasting, wide temperature range. Yeah, that is very important. So I have used the batteries during skiing, and before I was back to the bottom of the ski resort or base of the ski resort, it was already like battery was drained because of the very cold temperature and freezing. So hopefully wider temperature range will help in this case. So these are Endura batteries. I think one came with the GoPro also. So they charge like this. I think they go like this in it. But the question is, are these batteries any different from the old GoPro battery? So let's take it out. So this is old GoPro battery. Let's see if it is any different. Yes, it is different. So your old GoPro batteries that are for GoPro 8, I don't think they will work for this GoPro 11. So these Endura batteries are definitely different in size and dimensions. So keep that in mind. Your old battery and the battery charger, the old battery charger is no longer going to work for this new battery. So you have to have new battery charger. So that's why I bought this dual charger Endura batteries, charger plus Endura batteries, because first it will give me a charger, and second it will give me two extra batteries to use. I think GoPro doesn't come with a charger. If you have to charge without this charger, then you have to use this USB cable and leave the camera plugged in with the battery in it to charge it. That's not very practical, because normally you want to use camera, you want to put camera away and charge your batteries, and plus you want to charge more than one battery if you have a couple of batteries. So this is in my opinion very essential kit that you should buy with GoPro. Obviously it will still charge with the one battery it came with inside the camera, so you can wait for buying this one, but that's very useful thing to buy as very next thing after you have bought the camera. So what else I got? So I got protective housing. Let's see how it looks like. So one reason I bought this protective housing is once in a while I mean, this might be actually for waterproof, so it makes your camera waterproof up to 60 meter, 196 feet. So underwater, this is great thing to have. But also if you are not underwater, but when you are when you are using the camera while your car is going at 55 miles an hour, it's very high speed, and if you take the camera up from your, if you have a moon roof or something in your car, and if you are sitting on the passenger side and try to take the camera out to get better clear picture, because your windscreen I mean has some glare, and it's not always perfectly clean. So if you want to get a better picture and at very high speed with the stand on it, it is possible, even if you secure it very well, otherwise it is possible that your camera lens may get hit by small dust particles or sand or some other thing that can damage your camera. So that's why I bought it, also not only for waterproofing, but just in case if I'm exposing my camera to a lot of dust and those kind of conditions where you can get hit by rock or something. So this has dual purpose for me, not only underwater, but also protecting it in more harsh conditions. Let's open it now, see what's in it. Is that the best way to open it? Maybe. I'm not going to keep this box for very long. So now let's open this. Waterproofing. Oh wow, it came with extra mounting, so that's always handy. You can, these things I mean are easy to lose, so if you have extra, it's always useful. Then how do you open it further, man? Okay, so this is the case. Okay, I think well, just give it a second, let's see what else we have. So we have this in the box, other than the case. So we got this in the box, and this. Let's see what else we have. Other than that, we have a few manuals that came with it and nothing else. So that's all it comes with. So what is that? Skeleton back door for touch access and battery audio. So this is some kind of skeleton back. Okay, so let's see how it is going to work. So let's see. So I close this. So if I have to use this, it has some button here. I think that is a lock. So I had an older version which did not have this lock. So okay, so that's what is blocking it. So it locks like this, and then it opens you have to release this, and then up, and then up from here, and then it will open. So that's what you get. And what is this for really? Let's see. So anyway, so let's first try it without it. So if you have camera, then it can go like this. Oh, sorry. It can go like this, and then it's protected. Your buttons are still, like the top button is accessible, the side button is accessible. So this is where you can turn it on, start recording, and without actually exposing your camera in any ways, even if you are underwater. Your camera must be updated before. Okay, so this is the housing. Maybe someday I'll show you how I end up using it, but this should give you enough idea what this housing looks like. So front first, back, and then this one. I don't know. Okay, so this one is apparently something that you will replace. Both of them cannot be used simultaneously. So this is if you're not probably going underwater, but you are just using it for protection, like from harsh environment, I think. So this is extra back if you need access to that screen and not really going underwater, so it is going to still give you protection otherwise, except for I don't think it will give you same level of waterproofing. But in my scenario, like I was describing, the front is where you can get most of the hits, so this is going to protect it, and you will have to somehow remove this one. We'll figure out how to remove this one, but this one will go away and this one will be replaced if you want to have access. So I think I covered everything I got. Once again, reminder, like this is extra. The battery charger, dual battery charger, is extra that I added to my cart. And then this protective housing is also the extra item that I added to the cart. So it is compatible with 11, but I think it is also compatible with other models like 9 and 10 and 11. So they are pretty much same, I think, specs wise, all these three models. The dimensions and so their accessories are usually compatible with each other. It's not compatible, nothing that works with 10, 8 and 9 appears to be compatible with 8, so I will have to either use this 8 as extra or sell it, so I'll figure out if I really need to. It's hard to manage so many cameras anyways, but some people need them. I'll decide in the next few days before it loses any more values. So anyway, so this is end of my box opening of GoPro 11, and hopefully you got something that you were looking for from this video. I'm going to end this video and not try to edit it and spend too much time on editing like I normally do. Thank you.